Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, September 8th. Well, what we see here in the in the Russell is a market that's not as bouncy as the other indices. I'm looking for an update tomorrow in the stock indices, including our friend here, Mr. Russell, and in the Swissy. Sellers are still here. The dollar is still stronger. Be careful here if you're on the short side, though, for that market. And I feel the same way about the Canadian dollar. Sellers are still present, but we are at levels that we found buyers before. But so far, they just haven't shown up in that market. And when it comes to the Treasury bonds, I look for a sideways move here going into the weekend. I still would like to see a down move in that market. Crude oil, it's getting firmer, but we're finding some sellers at higher prices. We may see some profit taking going into this weekend. And one other thing that I think is interesting is corn. This is a market that also is trying to figure out what to do. You see this sideways move. It implies hedging coming into this market. I feel, if you think about it, I feel the same way when it comes to wheat. And actually, let's go back here. I want to show you, just thought of it, and that's beans. Beans is a mixture of fundamentals coming out. Be careful if you're on the short side for that market. Nat gas traded above its buy level. The difference here is $1,200 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside though on Friday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again. As always, take care.